Hello, welcome back to Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to create an API-based channel on Hoory AI. Let's get started. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click Inboxes from the expanded list of tabs. Click the Add Inbox button at the top right corner. Click API to set up an API-based channel. Enter a channel name and a webhook URL. You need to configure the URL where you want to receive callback events. Click Create API Channel. Add agents to your API-based inbox. To send a message in your API channel, first you need to create a contact. To create a contact, you need to send an HTTP request to Hoory AI's public API with your inbox identifier. Inbox identifier is a unique identifier of your inbox, which can be found in the Configuration tab of your inbox settings. Add contact information. Now that you have a contact, you can create a conversation. To create a conversation, you need to send another request to Hoory AI's public API using your inbox identifier and contact identifier. After creating both the contact and the conversation, you can send a message to the conversation on behalf of the contact. To create a message, you need to send another request to Hoory AI's public API endpoint with your inbox identifier and conversation ID, which you obtain from Create Conversation API call. Then insert the content of the message. Note that the Markdown formatting is supported. Hoory AI supports the following webhook events. To check all the events, follow the link below. For example, upon creating a message, you will receive a post request to the callback URL specified during the creation of the API-based channel. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for product tutorials and updates. See you in the next episode.